My video guide will help you to get rid of the browser hijacker called GetRadioSearch. GetRadioSearch.com works as a hijacker that changes some crucial browser settings, such as the default homepage, default search engine, and other parameters. So, if you have noticed that somehow this hijacker has become the part of your browser, you need to get rid of it as soon as possible. It will start changing your default search engine when you submit certain search queries. And you may notice that the results are delivered by nearbyme.io, sometimes by Bing, sometimes by Yahoo or some other search engine not selected by you initially. So it's not your choice to use these third-party search engines, but GetRadioSearch hijacker tries to make such decisions instead of you. If you are not happy with such amendments into the way your Google Chrome functions, you need to get rid of any third-party browser's extensions, including this GetRadioSearch. So access the menu, click on More Tools, choose Extensions. In your Google Chrome, now look for suspicious extensions, disable and delete them. So the solution to fix your browser is pretty simple. But I would also recommend you to examine your system additionally with a Combo Cleaner antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application, and start examining your computer with its help in order to be convinced that it is free of any other threats. So after the antivirus database is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan and begin the complex research and investigation of your system. At the end of scan by Combo Cleaner antivirus, you will get the summary of all threads that were found during the scan. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results. So currently you may see that so far 20 threads were found. In your particular case, the number of threads may be more than 20 or below 20, but definitely the program will give you the full summary of all threads, including the locations of these threads on your Mac computer. And you have a chance to remove each detected thread manually and for free, one at a time. You may click on Show in Finder next to this particular thread. This will show you the location of thread in your Finder. You may right-click on it and move it to the trash. And you may do the same thing with all other threads, or consider upgrading to the premium version to remove these threads altogether and automatically. And of course, premium version will protect your Mac computer from all subsequent threat and malware attacks.